Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Aptitude of GATE 2025 of Aerospace Engineering. Question number 6 to question number 10 carry 2 marks each. Question number 6 is column 1 has statement made by Shanthala and column 2 has responses given by Kanishk. Column 1 P. This house is in a mess. Q. I am not happy with the marks given to me. R. Politics is a subject I avoid talking about. S. I don't know what this word means. And column 2 1. Alright, I won't bring it up during our conversation. 2. Well, you can easily look it up. 3. No problem, let me clear it up for you. 4. Don't worry, I will take it up with your teacher. Identify the option that has correct match between column 1 and column 2. Option A P2 Q3 R1 S4. Option B P3 Q4 R1 S2. Option C P4 Q1 R2 S3. Option D P1 Q2 R4 S3. So here starting with P, this house is in mesh. So this house is in mesh. The task is about house. Okay. So if we select one, all that I won't bring it up during our conversation. And second is well, you can easily look it up. And third is no problem, let me clear it up for you. So that seems appropriate. So this is a statement made by Shanthala. This house is a mess, and response by Kanishk is no problem, let me clear it up for you. If the house is in mess, the Kanishk will clear it. Okay. So P is 3, P is 3. So answer is option B. P is 3 only in option B. Okay. Now check other parts also. I am not happy with the marks given to me. So that is the statement made by Shanthala. And according to option B, Q is 4. So I am not happy with the marks given to me. Don't the response of Kanishk is don't worry, I will take up with your teacher as marks are discussed. So teacher has to be discussed. So I am not happy with the marks given to me. So the response is don't worry, I will take it up with your teacher. So next is R1. R is politics is a subject I avoid talking about. So one is all right, I won't bring it up during our conversation. If you don't want to talk about politics, will not bring bring it in our conversation. So R is 1. Okay. Next S4. S is I don't know what, sorry, S2. I don't know what this word means. And S2 is well, you can easily look it up. So if you don't know what the word means, you can look for its meaning. Okay, so S is 2. So answer is P3 Q4 R1 and S2. So reading this house is in a mesh, no problem, let me clear it up for you. And second is P, sorry, after P Q, I am not happy with the marks given to me. Don't and the response is don't worry, I will take it up with your teacher. And next R, politics is the subject I avoid talking about. Alright, response is alright, I won't bring it up during our conversation. S, I don't know what this word means. So that is your S. So response is no problem, let me clear it up for you. Okay. So that is 2. S is 2. So answer is option B. P3 Q4 R1 S is 2. So answer is option B.